Guys, how's it going? This video I made a while back when it was cold outside and we were working in the shop, and yeah, it's just some little project I was experiment type thing I was doing, and it worked out okay, or part of it did. You'll see what I'm talking about. Anyway, hope you enjoy this video, and as always, please check out the description for products I use to make my videos, and some other things that I use them every day, tools and whatnot. But anyway, it's basically just links to Amazon, stuff. If purchasing stuff through my links will help my channel, so that's why I remind y'all to do that. But anyway, hope you enjoy this video, and we'll talk to y'all later.
Hey guys, how's it going? So one day I was complaining about the fenders on my tractor being well, they got like a white look to them anymore. They used to be all nice and black, and now they're kind of faded. This is a wet spot here. It's been laying out in the ice and the snow, but you can see how this fender isn't black anymore. It's kind of white, pigmented or something. And one of my viewers suggested that I try a heat gun on it, that it would bring the pigments back to it. So I did on the other one, and this is what happened. We'll try it on this one and see. It's actually bringing the pigment back and making it look black again. And you can just keep working on this fender until you get the whole thing done. Now this takes a while. I've done one of these fenders, and it takes a good while to do. And you have to try to be careful to do it evenly, or you'll have darker and lighter spots, I found out. But it does actually work. Anyway, I'm going to try something else here. Maybe try to do it more evenly and quicker, because this takes a while. So I'll go over here and try. I got something in mind that might work, and it may be a complete disaster, but we'll go over here and try it. All right, you see this thing? This is a Monster kerosene heater, and it gets extremely hot right in front of it. So I'm going to try to see if it will heat this plastic enough to start pulling the pigments back out of it and making it look black again. And if it will, it should, in theory, in my brain, it should do it more evenly, since it's a much bigger blower, covering a much bigger area at one time. Now this may work and it may not work, but I'm going to try it. So we'll turn on the heater and see what happens here. It's going to be kind of loud. still the only spot that's turned black is the spot that I worked on with the heat gun. So I fail again. Anyway, it was a nice thought. I might try it a little longer, but it's burning me up. What's interesting about this is, to me, is this piece of plastic is way hotter with that heater. I mean, you can't hardly touch it. You can't hardly touch it right here than it is with the heat gun. But I guess it's not concentrated enough to do what I want it to do. So I guess it's back to the heat gun. And as you can see, it does a good job on it. So, man, that's hot. So anyway, my experiment failed, and I'm still losing my mind. Alright, hope y'all learned something from this video. Do it with a heat gun, not a heater. Talk to y'all later. Well, I'm about half done here.